What is this called in English? Snow leopard. What is this called in English? Blue whale. What is this called in English? Axolotl. What is this called in English? Peacock. What is this called in English? Octopus. What is this called in English? Quokka. What is this called in English? Narwhal. What is this called in English? Panda. What is this called in English? Hummingbird. What is this called in English? Dolphin. What is this called in English? Sloth. What is this called in English? Red panda.